Alright, so these are the bulbs that I picked up from what is this, Home Goods, and I put it on the family tree, but I think I might jack these bulbs and put them on my tree. And then I've also got this one that I got from Sam's some years ago, and I really just use these as filler bulbs in between. But some of the bulbs in here that could possibly go nicely with my tree are like this bulb, this one, you know, maybe this one. But like, and what I mean by it might go is if I stick them in the tree, not like have them outside the tree, if that makes sense, because I just recently found out that you're supposed to decorate from the inside out. So with this tree, that's what I'm thinking, like, just to get it fuller, I might use these bulbs and maybe these to get a fuller look. But we're supposed to be talking about the family tree, right? That's what we're supposed to be talking about. And here I am still talking about that tree over there. So let me show you guys these bulbs and why I think I may or may not jack them for my tree. Look at that. These are so stinking pretty. Like, I love that pearl detail. And I picked mixed match bulbs for a reason. I wanted to bring some variety to there we go, to the tree, because it's very themed, if that makes sense. It's extremely themed to be like a drummer boy and a drummer tree, excuse me, not a drummer boy, but a drummer tree. Okay, so that's the same. This one is different. This one is different. Okay, here we go. And then this bulb. So at the moment, I think that these bulbs, I don't know, they may or may not stay on the family tree. Like I said, I may or may not jack them and put them on my tree just to get some more interest in there. So I don't have to go and buy anything else. I'm just going to use what I got. But these bulbs actually started off this whole shindig, y'all. These bulbs right here. I got these particular ornaments almost 4 years ago, and I picked up this, and then I picked up my Santa. Where are you, Santa? I don't know where Santa is at. Where's Santa ass at? Let me find Santa. Let me find Santa so I can show y'all Santa. There's Santa. Here's Santa. Santa was right here all along. But I bought Santa and these bulbs at the same time. And if you will notice here on Santa, he's got a drum. How cute. So it's this is what started this tree off about 4 years ago. And so when I bought Santa, I bought these bulbs to go with Santa, even though Santa's drum is green and these are red. This is what I themed the entire tree over. Like, I am an extremely traditional red, green, and white Christmas kind of gal. So even though like all my other trees have like a color theme for the room that they go in, this tree does not match. At no point does it match the theme of where this room is going. Okay, let's just establish that now. But That's why I'm kind of like in a conundrum between picking, excuse me, between picking if these bulbs are gonna go on my tree or if they're gonna stay on this tree. So I'll show you a side view right here so that you can see the tree. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. Like, all the crap that I put on this tree, I mean, it could stand to not have everything. But I've got several of these. What's in here? Okay. I've got the picks that I put on this tree, and these picks, I love these picks, y'all. They just fill the tree up so nicely. They've got the drum, the present, the pine cone. I also picked these exact same picks up. I think I got these from Joann's because it's got like the stripe present, but they look the exact same. Just one with a solid, one with a stripe. But they look really nice on the tree. And, I totally forgot I picked up this pick. And it's got the little bulb on it, the ornament. So I have a whole little shindig of these. Let me pick it up. Yep, all that's there. Oh, you know what? Let me just turn the camera around. There we go. So all of those are picks. Now, mind y'all, okay, because this is my family room tree, this particular tree I've been building for an entire 4 years. 4 being this year. No. 4 total, because I bought Santa the year we moved into the year? No, it was the year before we moved into the house. So yeah, I've been building this tree for like 4 years. So some of this stuff has come from Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, all over my area. So we used to live in Lithonia, but I used to go to the Hobby Lobby out here in Snellville, McDonough, Stockbridge, because those are high concentrated black areas. And for some reason, Hobby Lobby tends to put the black stuff over there, not over here. So I had to travel so I didn't have to paint Santa's face. Newsflash, we're tired of painting Santa's face, okay? I'm tired of going to my Hobby Lobby and we in a concentrated little area, okay? Just my disclaimer. But anyway, moving along. This is the base of my tree. So I love this little thing. Put that back in there. This is the ribbon for the tree, which, like I said, y'all, I am absolutely a traditional red, green, and gold kind of gal. Oh, look at these. Okay. I did these bulbs some years ago, but I got these from Hobby Lobby, and I have never seen these again. And the ribbons from Hobby Lobby, which is a bummer because I love the shape of those bulbs. What else is in here? That's glass. These are angels that I'm probably not going to use cups. Okay. No more Christmas, like Christmas tree decor. Let me say that. Christmas tree decor. All right. Here is the bulk of the decor that goes on this tree. So I'm going to start in the top and go down. And I categorized these last year so that I didn't have to really work for it, which I'm still working for it. Let's pull the whole drawer out. There we go. So I've got 6 of these little Santa bags. And then, of course, you already heard the bells that I put on the tree. Outside of these big gold bulbs, all of this stuff came from Hobby Lobby, Joann's, and Michael's. I'm not sure, but I know these came from the At Home store, but we ain't there yet. These came from Walmart. You know, let me just stop speaking ahead of myself. Let me just stop. Because I've got 2 more of these. Are y'all still arguing?
No, ma'am, we weren't arguing. We was talking to each other, helping each other out.
Oh. So, these came from Walmart. And I went all over looking for a drum this size and could not find it. So when I found these, I got these from the At Home store. So you can see the size variation on that. But they are truly the exact same color. Just one look different. One's got glitter, the other one's got like shards of plastic. I'm sorry? Yes. And then we've got more picks. So this is honestly how you can fill up a tree, is with picks. These little joints literally make the tree look so much fuller than it actually is. And that's why I think over there on that tree, I'm going to go get some picks too, to kind of fill the tree up for it to look a little bit more put together. I also have these picks, and these picks, I put all like 3 of these together to give me like this look right here. And I know I have some more. I don't know where they went. But yeah, I've collected these over this whole thing. I've collected over 4 years as well. And of course, you know, with like the 40% off coupon, some of them ended up being like 17 cents at the end of the year sale. But you know, you get what's happening here. You get what's happening here. Sorry for that last frame being out of focus. I also have these really cute little gold presents. These are picks as well. And yes, I leave them bent like this so that they actually fit inside of the tree. I picked these bulbs up from Hobby Lobby so long ago. I cannot remember when I picked them up. I think I was still in school when I picked these up. So I graduated in 2016, so that's how long I've had these particular ones. And I love them, especially on this super red tree. Don't know if I mentioned this or not, but me and my husband do not like the color red. The irony, right? The irony. If I'm recording, why would you do that? Here is my leftover ribbon. I do stack the ribbon like I showed you, like I said that I'm gonna do over there. But one is a red felt, and then the other one is this gingham pattern or buffalo check, whichever one you decide to call it. And then my last addition to this tree was these super adorable hot air balloons. Y'all, I could have spazzed out when I saw these. Oh my god. How stinking cute are these? How stinking cute, right? And then a friend of mine's made us these really adorable family bulbs. I love these little things. Let me go and check over there to see if we have any more decor for this tree, but I don't think we do. But let me check. Some realistic purging must take place. So I found one more set of bulbs that go on this tree, and it's the gold version of the round ones. And then I found we're going to do a quick pan over and show you guys what's happening here, and then we're gonna end this video and start on my last and final tree. This is what Christmas looks like for me. And this is why I said I probably should have cleaned first before bringing all this crap out.